Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make this beautiful and adorable wedding ball bracelet. It's little bit tricky to make, so follow the steps carefully. Here I use normal sewing thread to get the tutorial more visible, but you can also use nylon thread to make this bracelet more durable. Materials which I used in this video are available in all lands. The links are given in the description box, make sure you check them out too. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos, and now enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this, then subscribe for more interesting videos. Useful and easy. Be creative.